Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and here I have the Wearified for Mridul Sharma kit and I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. So this has all of my favorites. I've been using all of these products ever since they've launched and I use almost every product every single time I do my makeup. I'm going to start with, I think this has to be my favorite product from Wearified, so this had to make it to the kit. This is Wearified's Lip Frosting Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Butter Blondie. This is what I'm wearing right now as well. It's the most beautiful brownie nude. It sits so comfortably on your lips and it looks amazing. So we've added one more lipstick. Now this is a very pretty bold shade that looks really good on Indian skin tone. This is the shade Cherry Cheesecake. So this gives you like a red lip effect without it really being red, so it's not as intimidating. Then we have a blush. So this is a blush from the Airbrush Powder range. So not only, of course, it's going to give you a beautiful pigment, but it's also going to really kind of defocus and blur out your skin. Then we have the star product, the Airbrush Powder. So this is the product that really made me fall in love with Wearified, and it's a very unique powder that I feel like you could use to set your makeup, but also kind of like a finishing powder. By the way, this also comes with a really cute satin pouch. And not to forget this holographic pouch wherein you can store your makeup and of course the Wearified products. And lastly, there's also a personalized note from me that has a coupon code for your next purchase. Now, the actual value of all of these products is for 4895 rupees, but right now it's available for 2999, which is 40% off. I think all of these products are great additions to your makeup kit. In case you guys want to check them out, you can go over to wearified.in and get your hands on this kit because it is limited edition.